Good afternoon, Algebra 1 class. So, we've been talking quite a bit about our rate of change with the domain and the range, our x's and y values. So, let's consider this. Consider a machine that exchanges quarters for dollar bills. By inserting a $1 bill, you get a return of 4 quarters. And you may insert up to 5 $1 bills at a time. So you have your change machine there, and you put in dollar bills, and you can put up to 5 $1 bills in at a time. A, is 7 a possible input for the relation to this change machine? Why or why not? Once you've got that answer, you can come back and do B. So pause and then return when you're ready. Could 3.5 be included in the domain of this relation? Again, why or why not? Go ahead and pause now and write your answer. And when you're done, come back and continue. C, what values are not in the domain? What values are not in the domain? You can write down your answer, pause right now, and come back after you're finished. D, is 8 a possible output for the relation this change machine represents? If so, how? Is 8 a possible output for the relation this change machine represents? If so, how? Go ahead and write your answer and pause right now. Once you've finished writing your answer, come back and continue. E, could 3 be included in the range of this relation? Could 3 be included in the range of this relation? Why or why not? Go ahead and hit pause right now in the video and write your answer, and then when you're finished, come back. And last question, finally, F. What values are not in the range? What values cannot be in the range? Justify your reasoning. Bring these to class tomorrow and we will discuss them. Have a great evening and we'll see you tomorrow.